morning. So anyway, I'm in my bathroom, pardon the fan, but it's just one switch for both the light and the fan. So anyway, I'm taking you this week along with me to learn about Thieves, everything about Thieves essential oil. So the main way that I use Thieves essential oil is in my Thieves products, such as my toothpaste. So right now I'm not using it as a toothpaste. I mean, I do at night. I did brush my teeth with this last night, but I'm going to show you how much I use for my deodorant. I use a small smear like this, and I put half of this on my other index finger, and I rub this amount on my underarms. So that's the first way. Then I'm showing you how I use Thieves essential oil. The next way that I'm using Thieves is in this hand soap, and I just give it a half pump and get plenty to lather up, and this smells amazing on my hands. The way that I'm using Thieves essential oil is I'm using my Thieves laundry soap or laundry detergent. Anyway, I thought I would show you how much I use in each load. As you can see, it's kind of like a medium large load. That is all I use in this little cap. And I just pour it on top of my clothes. I know the instructions said like put it at the bottom, but I've always put my laundry detergent on top. Do you put your laundry detergent on top or underneath your clothes? Anyway, one thing that I love about this is that the cap, everything's like contained, and so when you put it back on, anything that's in the cap runs back into the bottle. There's no like detergent that gets on the neck of the bottle. So your bottle stays really clean. This is a great design. I really like it. So anyway, that's how I use my Thieves laundry detergent. The next way that I'm using Thieves is I'm using my all-purpose Thieves spray. So I'm taking the Thieves household cleaner. I put it in the bottle, dilute it with water. Anyway, I use this for everything. I spray my toilet very liberally with it and give it a good scrub. Just because I do have it diluted in here. You can also put like a half capful or a capful of Thieves cleaner in if your toilet needs like a heavy duty cleaning. I also like to spray the toilet brush with Thieves cleaner, a couple of sprays before I put it back. And I use this spray all over my my sinks and stuff too when I wipe them down. Next way that I use Thieves, I'm gonna clean my egg pan with the Thieves dish soap. So you know from previous videos, if you watched them, I dilute my dish soap with a bunch of water. So I like to spray it liberally. I don't fill up a whole sink full. But this is how I do it. So anyway, this cuts through the grease and everything really good. I usually kind of clean most of it out, and yeah. Anyway, I don't need to give you a lesson on washing dishes, but anyway, I really like my Thieves dish soap. Okay, here's another way I'm using Thieves with a dishwasher powder. Anyway, it comes with this really tiny scoop. What I love about Young Living products is they don't have fillers. So I just use this much. Yeah, it's like half the scoop. And I put it here and it gets my dishes super clean. Now, one thing that I do is I do rinse my dishes so there's no food particles on them. I mean, like, they're obviously like dirty, but I don't have lumps like of rice or pasta or sauce and stuff like. So the dishes are wiped off before I put them in.